I is for apple, red and bright mass. I love fruits, they make me light. B is for ball, I bounce and play gay. Come on, kids, let's run today. C is for cat, purring sweetly, and she says hello so very neatly. D is for duck, who swims in the pond. Splish, splash, water, we all bond. E is for elephant, big and strong. He trumpets loudly all day long. F is for fish, swimming fast. She wiggles her tail and swims right past. G is for giraffe, tall and kind. Reach for the stars, you'll never mind. H is for hat, it keeps me cool. Wear it in summer, that's the rule. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. What a little treat on a sunny street. J is for jump up to the sky. Stretch your arms and don't be shy. K is for kite, flying high. It dances freely in the sky. L is for lion, brave and proud. He roars his song strong and loud. M is for moon, shining at night. It guides us home with silver light. N is for nest, warm and small. Birds sleep safe, one and all. O is for owl, who says hoo. He studies the stars, so can you. P is for panda, black and white. He hugs his friends with all his might. Q is for queen, with crown so tall. She's fair and kind to one and all. R is for rainbow, bright and wide. Colors of joy, side by side. S is for sun, shining bright. It wakes us up with golden light. T is for train, going choo-choo. Come right along, I'll go with you. U is for umbrella in the rain. Da-da-da. It keeps us dry again and again. U is for umbrella in the rain. It keeps us dry again and again. U is for umbrella in the rain. It keeps us dry again and again. V is for violin, playing tune. It sings so softly beneath the moon. U is for whale, deep in the sea. He waves his tail to say hi to me. X is for xylophone, ding ding dong. Let's make music all day long. Y is for yak, furry and strong. He climbs the hills all day long. Z is for zebra, stripy and neat. From me to Z, my ABC's complete. I'm Bear, your friend. I've taught you today the ABCs in a fun, happy way. I'm Bear, your friend. I've taught you today the ABCs in a fun, happy way.